Welcome. If you want to share a profile link on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to easily share your favorite profiles with friends or followers. Whether you want to connect with someone new or promote your own profile, sharing is a great way to engage with your Snapchat community. Let's dive in. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in the app, navigate to the profile you want to share. This could be a friend's profile or someone you've met recently. When you find the desired profile, take a moment to look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a share icon there. It's typically represented by an arrow or a similar symbol. Go ahead and tap on that share icon. After tapping the share icon, a menu will appear with various options for sharing the profile link. You might see options like sending it via direct message, posting it to your story, or sharing it through other social media platforms. Choose your preferred method for sharing the link. If you want to copy the link for later use, you can select the option that allows you to copy it to your clipboard. This makes it easy to paste the link wherever you want, whether it's in a chat, a social media post, or even an email. And just like that, you've successfully shared a profile link on Snapchat. This quick and easy process helps you connect with others and enhances your interactions on the platform. Whether you're sharing your profile or someone else's, you now have the tools to make it happen.